Now, this is how you can set a sleep timer on the iPad, but it depends on what exactly you're trying to achieve, right? So you might have different things on your mind. Like, for example, you might be looking at a way on how you can set a sleep timer for the content that you are consuming, right? Let's say that you like to fall asleep with an audiobook. So how can you do that? Well, instead of the clock app in the timer section, you can choose a specific time, but instead of choosing a sound which is going to be playing at the end of the timer, you can choose and tap on when a timer ends. And at the bottom, you have a section called Stop Playing. So you can choose that after the time is up, whatever is playing on your iPad will be stopped, right? So that is a cool way to enable timer for your sleep, right? If that is what you mean. If you would just, get it or would like to get the sleep or bedtime information that you have on your phone, well, instead of the health app, you can choose like specific schedules. I mean, we're talking about the phone, right? Inside of the phone health app, you can choose like specific schedules and stuff like that, and alarms and days and everything. But for some reason, it's just not available on the iPad in the health app. So it will not be it's just not going to appear in there, right? So I'm not sure if that's just requiring an update or something, but currently we do not have that. So if you would want to, you can get it inside of the App Store and look up some of the sleeping apps. For example, I, in the past, tried out the Sleep Cycle, which is a great app. Like, it can track your sleep using the watch. It has a watch, iPhone, and an iPad app, and it is a great app for tracking your sleep in general. But it's supposed to wake you up in your light sleep, and you can like read through it and everything. So I quite like that one when it comes to third-party apps. But that's basically everything I wanted to show you. So thanks a lot for watching. I honestly hope that you found this video useful. For more tutorials and videos like this one, most definitely subscribe below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one, in the next video in the future.